Alright, get him! Aha, they're dead. Victory. So, what do you want to do now? Heck if I know. Oh, I know. Let's go to Cantina. Yeah.
What's wrong with me?